Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you are in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube is to notify you once that I just uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be all set. Also, right underneath the video, there is a thumbs up. In that thumbs up, it will turn blue and the number will increase. If you're enjoying my content, please take a second when you come into my videos to give me that thumbs up. Supposedly on YouTube, it helps a YouTuber grow on the YouTube platform. From what I read is that YouTube then in turn puts my videos in front of other people that just haven't had the opportunity to meet me yet, but they do enjoy this type of content. So I want to make sure that I'm able to grow on this platform, and that's with your help. So if you can give me that thumbs up, that would be really great, and I appreciate it, and I'm thanking you in advance for doing that for me. All right, today I'm really excited to share with you because I periodically will go into what is called the Boxycharm CHARMROOM, and the cutest little box came in the mail today, and I was really excited to get this. I didn't get any notification or anything. It just showed up, and I'm happy that it was here, and I had no idea what it could possibly be because I've only seen this small box a couple of times before, and it was for some add-ons that I got, and I knew that I already had all my add-ons, and I definitely knew that this wasn't a pop-up because it'd be too soon. So I couldn't figure out what it was. And then when I opened it, I saw what the item was, and I cannot wait to share this with you because I could not believe that this was when I got to go into the charm room, that it was open and that this product was there and available. So I want to share this with you because it's a product that I've had my eye on, because it's a brand that I got introduced to from Boxycharm that I have been enjoying, and now anything that I see from this brand that I have the opportunity to try, I grab it and I do, and I end up enjoying it, and then I tell you guys about it as well. So the charm room, if you're not familiar, is only open when the add-ons aren't open, when the pop-up isn't open. And as you know, he's keeping those things open a lot longer, which is good for us because a lot of us get our boxes a little bit later. So I like to wait. I buy a couple things at the beginning because there's a lot of things that aren't going to be in the boxes that are available in the pop-ups and add-ons, which I've shared with you on my channel. However, there are a lot of variations. So sometimes there'll be a little banner that says this is possibly going to be in your, your box. So I like to wait to see, because I don't want to get duplicates of things, because there's a possibility I'm going to get duplicates, because as you know on my channel I get 2 base and 2 premium and things like that. So I wait until all my boxes arrive for anything that has that type of banner on it. And then if I didn't get it in my box, which has happened in the past, I then place another order on the add-ons or pop-up, whichever one is running at that time, to get myself those items so that I don't miss out. But like I said, those are staying open longer and longer, so the charm room is open for a very short period of time. And what the charms are, it's a little extra bonus that he does for us, that when you review your products after you receive them and had a chance to play with them, you get what they call charms, which is like points, and that equals free product. So as those charms grow, the only thing that you end up paying for is the taxes, because charm orders are free shipping. Doesn't matter how many charms it is. So this is and each dollar of a charm is equal to $1. So this is a $36 product, and this $36 product costs me 3,600 charms. And that's how it works. So like I said, if you get lucky, because he doesn't have a lot of products always in the charm room, there's sometimes just 2 or 3, and sometimes I've seen as many as 8 or 9, but it depends. And the selections for me are always, when I do go in, I always plan on going in to use my charms, because when you get 4 boxes, you get to do a review a lot, so your points do go up, and it would be nice to be able to get it. But as you've seen on my channel, I've only had a couple of charm orders, and usually there's 1 or maybe 2 items in a box. That's as much as I've been able to get, but they have always been great. So this one came in this little cylinder. here, and inside it is the Milk makeup product. I do have some notes about the product because I know nothing about this, but the wording on it really intrigued me. So if you're not familiar with the Milk brand, what I have found is that majority of their products come in these tubular type of products. You open them up, they have always a dome on the top to keep the product fresh, and I always tell you guys to keep it, and then you spin it up, and then the product comes out. And a lot of these products are like solids that are made with products that maybe in the past weren't solids, they were more liquid. So these type of products are phenomenal to travel with. So I'm going to read a little bit more about it, and then we'll do a swatch to see what this is all about, because I literally just took the packaging because everything was overly sealed in here. I didn't expect it to be the full size of this, because what's also nice about Milk, it's available at all the retailers, and they do have mini sizes as well. But this at $36, I wasn't sure what I was going to get. And then when I went on to check it on the website, their website said they do have that mini one that is probably half the size, because that one was $18. So what I want to share with you on this, and the reviews on on Boxycharm are usually, so if you see it's all 5 stars, I don't go by those reviews for the stars on Boxycharm, because a lot of girls, if you end up reading any of the reviews, it simply says, just got it in my box, can't wait to try it, 5 stars. So to me, the reviews that you want to read on the product lines are usually on the, you know, retailers' websites like Sephora and ULTA and stuff, for the people that had the opportunity to get the product, use the product, and, you know, you spend your money, you want to know if you're going to replenish it. Be it if it's in a charm or in a Boxycharm or at a discount in an add-on, you still want to know what the true reviews are and what to expect for your skin. So let's read what this is all about. The description on this that was on Boxycharm, it says it's a brightening and hydrating solid serum. It visibly will even out your skin tone and revitalize the complexion while reducing the appearance of fine lines and give you that glowing look. They say it's good for all skin types. That means normal, dry, combo, which is what I am, and oily. And if your skin concerns are dryness, uneven texture, fine lines, and wrinkles, it is what they're calling a lightweight serum. So their highlighted ingredients in here are a watermelon fruit extract that says it will keep your skin hydrated over time. It has Swiss garden cress sprout extract, which is supposed to even the look of your skin tone by visibly reducing dark spots. It has Matrixyl, which is really fantastic, and that will smooth the appearance of fine lines and skin texture. They say that this product is also vegan and cruelty-free, and it says that this is the on-the-go serum that the TSA calls it a friendly solid formula, which means there are no spills for your serums, which if you travel like I do, this is like a dream, because I very rarely took anything that was water. So, you know, the consistency of a serum or so anything like this is an absolute dream. And the matcha toner I got from them, I went through it so quickly and enjoyed it so much that I replenished immediately. It was so enjoyable. So I'm hoping this will be the same for me. And then they have some clinical results, and they're simply saying how to use this is after cleansing and toning, swipe this serum all over your skin and gently pat with your fingers, and you can use it morning and night. So to me, this is a nice, good refresher, and especially if you travel a lot and you go on a lot of airlines, you get so dehydrated, even if it's, you know, not long. So anything like this that I can have in my arsenal, I'm really excited to get it. So the fact that it says it's a brightening serum was making me a little hesitant, but because it was Charms, I decided I was going to give this a whirl. As a combo girl, you know, whenever you hear the words brightening and things like that, I get a little bit nervous, because my natural oils, you know, after a few hours come through anyways. So anything that they say brightening always makes me think, you know, more my own oils coming through that gives me that glisten. So that's what I think of. So that's what this one is here. So it's to hydrate, smooth. It says it's vegan, cruelty free, paraben free, alcohol free. It's got all the right frees. So let's do this here. I don't smell, oh, it's beautiful. It goes on so smoothly. This is the type of thing like 1, 2, 3, you put it all over your face and then you pat it in. But like I said, you always, and I don't smell the watermelon. I thought I would smell it. Also be very careful how much you turn it up, because you want to make sure that the little cap can go back on to keep it sealed, because these things can dry out if you don't use them as often as, you know, a regular day-to-day. But it also comes up through the bottom, so you're turning it, so it's to turn it back down, to me, it's not going to go down that easily. So make sure to just, you know, pull it up enough that the product is still above the plastic, and then it's easy for you to apply it all over your face. So that's what I got. That's what I wanted to share with you guys today, telling you how to use your charms. Double check, don't get disappointed. If, you know, there's nothing in the charms this month, there'll be something in the charms next month, I'm sure. But I have, like I said, not purchased a lot through the charms, but whatever I have been ecstatic to be able to get. And then hopefully you'll get one of these little boxes too, because I think this is something that they're just starting to do, because it used to always come in those little plain boxes. So these tiny little guys, I think, are such a treat. All right, that's it. That's everything I wanted to share with you guys today. So as always, you know how much I appreciate that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me. Please leave in the comments if you've gotten anything from the charm room that you've enjoyed, so we can hopefully be able to get one for ourselves in the future. As always, I like to end my videos with telling everybody to continue to stay safe, so that we can all stay well and we can end up enjoying more and more. So please, everybody, continue to stay safe so that you can all stay well. And I will see you all soon in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.